I'm taking the white one. Alright, YouTube. Today is the day we are test riding the 2022 Harley Davidson Livewire fully electric motorcycle. I'm actually pretty pumped. Let's see if we know how to turn this baby on. So they just ran over like a quick brief overview of everything. So bike is actually started up now. You can't rev it, there's no clutch. The front brake here is actually integrated with the rear brake down here, so that's kind of interesting. But we're gonna go on like a 15-minute ride. I think we're gonna follow the group, and then yeah, we're just gonna test it out, see how it works, and hopefully it's pretty fun. So one quick thing here, the seat actually vibrates underneath of you to let you know that the bike is on, so that's kind of an interesting feature. But here we go. I'm a little nervous actually. Nice and smooth. So the different modes that it has, apparently the region is what it's called, is the engine braking, I guess. So they start us out here on this rain mode, which has almost zero engine braking. Man, it's so weird not having a clutch. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it makes kind of like a sound like a Tesla. It sounds like a spaceship. So that rain mode is definitely limited in power. I think it said it was 0% power, so you gotta like almost twist the throttle to full lock to get any sort of power out of it. So here in a minute I will switch it to the sport mode. And see how that one works. I'm honestly surprised how sporty the seating position is as well. I was expecting more of a, you know, cruiser style seating position, whereas this is actually, my feet are placed back a little bit more than usual. I don't know what the weight of the bike is, but it actually feels very nimble. Alright, now we're in sport mode, so this shit should be interesting. So this has like 80% engine braking in a sense. And she goes. That is for sure. She feels very good. Like, I know we haven't hit like any corners, and you know, we're in a group obviously, so we're kind of limited with what we can do, but performance wise I don't have any complaints. The throttle response feels good, the braking feels solid, it holds its line. You know, when we're in that roundabout, the bike didn't feel wobbly. So we'll see if there's some chances here to get it turned over a little bit more. Alright, let's see if we can give her some gas. No shifting either. It's so smooth. That's so crazy. this is definitely going to be something of the future. And you know, I've got a Tesla. I like the electric bikes. I don't necessarily like them for the environmental reasons that everybody says. I just like cool stuff, and this is a cool bike, I do have to say. I do wish they would kind of like let us take them out wherever, but I do understand the liability aspect. Because you could totally rip this thing. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty good.
I'm actually very surprised.
Me too, bro. It's hella smooth.
It's like a couch.
I know.
It's like a couch with...
I'm surprised how sporty it feels too. Like I would have thought it would be a lot like more cruisy.
I got it out of sport as soon as we got on that left. Yeah. It feels really good, man.
Also, the turn signals are auto canceling, which I know some of the newer Ducatis have that, but that is a pretty cool feature, I do have to say. Man, if you could get this thing out in the twisties too, like that would be just amazing. The power delivery is crazy. It's just totally different from any other bike, at least that I've ever ridden. You know, I've only had a handful of bikes in my life, but this feels good. It's kind of hard to hit the throttle and the turn signal here at the same time, I have to say. Now we can just go wherever we want. Lead the way. Should we let this guy, he's gonna come up here. He ain't got it. That is so fun. It's just like instantaneous power. No shifting, none of that. It's just straight fun, man. Well, we lost our group leader, so we had our few moments of fun, but we are back to the confines of Harley Davidson. Alright folks, well that is the end of our test drive. I know it was super quick. I wish it could have been a lot longer. I would love to take one of these things out for a week or so and do a bunch of different things on it. But the day will come. I think electric bikes are really going to make a prominent appearance in the motorcycle scene. So we'll see in the next few years how it goes. But anyways, thank you guys for watching as always. We really appreciate it. Drop a thumbs up and we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.